At the edge of cliffs where the wind reigns, lives the fastest creature on Earth.
The peregrine falcon.
Eyes that see prey from miles away.
Wings built for the storm.
With powerful strokes, the Lanner Falcon accelerates, demonstrating a speed almost beyond imagination.
With a dramatic tilt, the Falcon begins its lethal dive, reaching breathtaking speeds in mere seconds.
Over 300 kilometers per hour, the fastest dive on Earth.
Hunt begins.
The sky's predator claims its prize. Beak built to tear.
After the hunt, ritual.
Each dive feeds a life.
Perched high above the valley, the Falcon is ever vigilant. A distant alarm signals danger.
Not all dangers come from below. The defender rises.
The gyrfalcon, largest of the falcon species, returns from a successful hunt, bringing vital sustenance to its secure chicks.
Young wings prepare. First leaps into the abyss.
Learning with every fall.
Return to mastery. Their world is endless air. Built for endurance. Speed hugs the earth. Even in speed, companionship. Speed rests in silence. The night.
But with dawn, speed awakens again.
A gaze that never fails. From peak to peak, their kingdom spans. Speed unmatched in the animal world.
They are the sky's edge.
A falcon, the speed of the sky.